if you're in that situation where I don't want to get off the couch, this is not for me. This is exactly for you.
Hey guys, I am here with my friend Maggie.
Hi guys, I'm Maggie. I do a trauma-informed yoga, breathwork kind of meditation business where I take this healing work into treatment centers, sober living homes, detention centers. I'm for the public, but it's really just about releasing trauma, getting connected to yourself, learning how to be in your body.
And healing. So she's part of all the healing, and healing is part of wellness. So I decided to come over to her house so that we could juice together, because juicing is a big factor, right? It's also going to heal your body. And like I always tell everyone, not only does it heal, it prevents diseases, it gives you a ton of energy. It's just amazing for your body from the inside out. So today we're going to do, Maggie, we're going to do spinach, and we're going to do a carrot and orange juice with a little bit of cucumber, because carrots have a lot of beta carotene, so they're actually really good for a natural glow to your skin. And I'm gonna have you open this, and we're gonna add, and I typically just get like a handful, and stick it in. That's the beauty about the Nama J2. You could just put everything in there, keep adding. And then now let's add some cucumbers, add that all, all that.
Oh, I'm so excited about this.
And then here we got orange, start sticking in there. Yeah,
so
we got
really
lemon, which lemon is citrus, and it's also good for the hormones. It balances out the hormones. I add lemon to all my water.
I try to do lemon with water in the morning, every morning.
Oh my God, it's so good.
That's helped me a lot with my skin and my energy.
So now we're gonna close, boom. So Maggie's also a sobriety sister. She's been alcohol free for now how long, Maggie?
I got sober in 2016, October 21st, 2016.
Wow, that's awesome. And that's why we connected. We had a same, well, I don't know about the same story, but we have something very in common. With juicing, when I was going through my detox, you know how you start craving the sugar when you're coming off alcohol? That craving of sugar was, to me, was probably one of the things, it was hard. When I started juicing, it completely curbed the craving for sugar, because you're getting all the vitamins, all the minerals, all the enzymes, all the nutrients that your body needs. And it just really balanced out my body in such a good way. And I remember I felt alive.
At least once a week, I have a woman in sobriety trying to get sober tell me that the sugar cravings, even at like 2 years sober, are really, really intense. So this is a big thing.
Yeah, no, definitely. A lot of people think juicing is tied to fitness, and it's like, oh, I'm not in fitness. But actually juicing it's mental health. It's healing. It heals your body from the inside out. It actually connects with your gut, it cleans out your gut, it puts your gut healthy. The gut is connected to the brain. So when your gut is healthy, your serotonin in your brain, it goes up the roof. And you start thinking more clear, you have more mental clarity, you're more focused. So it's all interconnected, like the body is all interconnected. Definitely is a huge part of mental health. And maybe you could talk a little bit about the trauma and all that.
So this is, part of why we're excited to be working together and doing this, is that healing really, really has to be part of the body, has to be part of healing. And a lot of times you'll go to a therapist, or a lot of mainstream modalities are amazing, but they're only looking at the cognitive part of healing, especially trauma, anxiety, and depression, and we're missing the body. So people don't ask when I go to the doctor and I'm saying I'm depressed, I want to drink myself to death or something like that. People aren't asking, what are you putting in your body? Are you moving? Healing from the inside out, yes, is so, so crucial to not being fit and looking great. If you're in that situation where I don't want to get off the couch, this is not for me. This is exactly for you.
It is.
Because this is not about just looking good, but it really, really is getting connected to your body so you can get out of your mind and you, like she was saying, have that energy. And so on a cellular level, we store trauma in our bodies, especially our hips and our glutes. So part of what I do with yoga and movement and on-bowl therapy is releasing that and being able to connect to the emotions and then letting them go. And so if I'm stuffing crap in my body, I won't be able to connect to anything. And so juicing and clean eating like that is just so important. And becoming free in your mind.
You are so right. And the crazy thing is that most people, they don't do the preventative. You know what I mean? They wait till something happens and then, oh my God, let me go to the doctor. Let me do this. Instead of doing things that are going to prevent you from getting to that point, getting to the boom, there's an issue, there's a problem. It does make a huge difference what you put in your body. It absolutely does. And through juicing, when you're getting all those nutrients, people are like, how come you have so much energy? It's all liquid. So
She does have a lot of energy.
I know. I'm a jumping jelly bean all the time. But it's crazy
wonderful.
because it's not like coffee. It doesn't crash. It is sustainable throughout the day. And think about it. You are like literally injecting yourself a shot of antioxidants into your body. So it's liquid form. It goes into your system, and in 10 minutes, you feel the effect.
It's real.
It's real. And then you feel you're happy. Why? Because your body is satisfied. Your body doesn't need refined sugar. Your body doesn't need those processed, ultra processed foods that are not good for you, that are gonna put inflammation and that are gonna skyrocket your cholesterol and make you feel bad, joint pains and all that stuff. It doesn't.
Right.
This is from the earth, like down. I mean, you're getting everything that your body needs, so your body is like happy.
But when I don't feel good, I reach for those things.
Yeah.
And so if I have a solution of, oh, I'm actually already feeling good, then I don't need all that sugar. I don't need all that stuff. I don't need the alcohol. I don't need the toxic things. Then it's just so much better. But nobody introduced me into that kind of stuff when I was growing up. So.
Me neither.
Going to the doctor, no one said that.
It took me my alcohol journey to actually learn about juicing. And let me tell you, I went from alcohol addiction to juice addiction, which is a good one.
Yeah.
Cheers! Oh my God, this is so good! Sexy, and I know it.
Feeling good. I like the cinnamon.
Isn't it the cinnamon?
Juice. Oh, it feels so good. It's so interesting that I'm connected enough through what I do with yoga and stuff that I put sugar in my body and automatically I just feel
sluggish.
And then I put this kind of stuff and I'm like,
and
it's
crazy because when you eat healthy, it feels good. It just, you don't feel bloated. You don't. And then when you eat bad, it's like, ugh.
But a lot of us use food as an addiction. You know what I mean? Like sugar gets me away from what I'm feeling.
Yes.
So this is part of. Well, I've been reading a lot about anxiety and depression having to do with your gut.
Yes.
I don't know that much about it, so I like that you said that.
100%. So the gut and the colon are the number 2 things that cause death. People have no idea. If your colon and gut are healthy, you're gonna live a long lasting life. Do you think people should subscribe to my channel?
Oh yes. So as somebody that really takes getting out of my head and getting in my body and really craving that serenity and peace in my mind and body very seriously, this is something that is needed for me, myself, and for the people that I work with. So subscribe.
So subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips, especially taking care of your body from the inside out.